Hello everyone, hello lovely viewers. We are back again to continue from where we stopped in inserting your table in Microsoft Word. The other time we did how to insert your table in Microsoft Word, but this time around we are going to continue, and that will be how to draw a table manually in MS Word or in Microsoft Word. After watching this session, I don't think you have any problem concerning how to draw a table by yourself in MS Word or Microsoft Word. The previous session was automatically how you are going to follow the steps for the software to quickly draw the table for you based on column number and row numbers, but this is going to be done by you manually. So let's continue. But before we continue, please, if this is your first time joining us on this channel, please look down your video and click on the subscription button, and don't forget to also click on the notification bell to always notify you when we drop a new video. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. Now let's continue. We are going to draw a table manually. We are going to draw a table in Microsoft Word manually. How are we going to do that? Let's move to work. First of all, you have to go to insert in the menu bar. Insert in the menu bar. So here is our insert. Please put your eye on my cursor. Here is our insert. You click on the insert, and then we look for table, and here is it right there, table. Then we click on the table. Now we are not going to use any of these dot or these boxes or use any of this option. This or insert. We are not using that one. We are now proceeding to use draw table, because we want to draw the table by ourselves in Microsoft Word. So we are going to click on draw table instead of insert table or using the boxes option to insert our rows and columns. So now let's choose draw table. So when you click on draw table, your cursor will now turn to a pencil, which means when you click and hold, you activate the pencil to do something on the page. When you click and hold, drag to anywhere, there will be a drawing that will show, and that will be a table. So you are manually drawing your table. Let's see what happens. You click and hold, and drag to the left, and if you want to expand it, you drag downwards to expand the table for you. So when you reach where you need to stop or where you want to stop, like I'm stopping here, you release the click button and wait for what happens next. Boom, that is it. You have drawn some part of the table. So we are now going to insert our rows and columns by using the same pencils. How many columns do you want and how many rows do you want? That question matters. You need to have the number of columns and the number of rows you want in your head when you are drawing or inserting a table in MS Word. So I need 4 rows, 4 columns. So let me draw my row. You can start at the right side of the table, right border of the table, or the left border of the table. So I'm starting from the left border of the table, and I'll draw. Click, hold, and drag. I have 1 row. Remember, you click, hold, and drag. Another row. and this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I have what? 4 rows. And it seems the last row is bigger than the other rows. Let's not go there before. Let's not go there. I'm going to now add my columns. So let's see how we are going to design the column 2. I'll start at the top border of the table and drag downwards. Row 1, row 2, and that is it. I have my 4 rows. So one thing about drawing manually is that you have to always measure. You have to always make sure that the sizes of the rows and borders, the sizes of the rows and columns are the same. If you have your rows the same size and you have your columns the same size, even though it doesn't matter, it depends on the data you are going to enter into those columns and rows. So now, let's see how we are going to match the sizes. How are we going to match the sizes? Now we have our 4 columns, our 4 rows, and some are bigger, some are small. So now let's see how we are going to match it. Immediately you insert your table, there will be another option added to the menu bar. That will be table tools, which comes with design and layout. So we are in layout now. So if I'm going to work match on my table, columns, rows, and then what? Cells, moving of it, I will have to go to layout to see how I can work with it. So now I'm going to take off my pencil, which is I have to come here, the draw, and then click on draw table to take off my pencil. I hope you have seen that. My pencil is gone. So it's now the normal cursor. So how am I going to do now? I want to now try to match the sizes of the rows and the columns. To move a line or a border to fit the line you want, you just need to place your cursor here. When the cursor change from this to this, it means you can move your line. So I'm going to move it just to fit my what? My sizes. So I'll come here to move this to fit the size of the other rows. That's it. At least, if not the same, but they are close to the same. So manually drawing, this is how it takes time. If you need to be quick, you have to use the previous method we taught you. So now we are good. Let's see about the columns. The lines that are here are those we can use to control the columns. The lines that creates the columns is these ones. That is what we are going to use to control what? The columns. So I'm going to try to see if I can match it. Just like the other one, just like the rules. Place your cursor until it changes to this symbol, this sign. Then you click and hold, drag it to see how you can best match your columns. Great. So we are there. I hope you are following. Great. So that's it. We have our 4 columns. We have our 4 rows with different method. That is drawing the table manually in Microsoft Word. Earlier, as I said, we did inserting automatically in Word, but now it's manually. And you can see how the manual is stressful and sometimes taking time. So I would advise if you will be using the first method. It depends on you. It depends on how you feel it and how you love using the tools. So please don't forget to click the like button and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. And please comment. Ask questions in our comment sections and we will attend to you. If you need us to do anything, to teach you anything in Microsoft Word, please just comment that in our comment box and we will attend to you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching.